Alright, so in this episode of Men's Essentials, gentlemen, you will be hearing from the mighty women itself the few things that they do not like in a man, that they don't want men to do, or few things that men do wrong. I hope you learn something from it. I hope this video is engaging and entertaining and insightful for your taste. So, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya, this is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. Hi, quick question. What is that one thing that you hate in a man or a man can do better?
I guess lie.
Arrogance. Share good stories.
Disrespect our feelings.
They should be a bit more emotional.
Exactly, they are too dumb.
I think personality.
They lie very well. Sometimes they are possessive or very insecure. Ego. Dominating. Actually, they don't appreciate what you wear or what you do. Like
Yeah, they're not good at complimenting, is it?
Yeah,
Themselves or other ones?
other ones.
They should invest some time in learning a bit more about emotional intelligence.
Exactly. Emotional intelligence is really important for a girl, right? Yeah.
So it's not really about the money and the looks that you have.
No.
It's about what do you have besides that.
Exactly.
They always
Color their hair in different colors and I really don't
They
like
think
that.
it might look cool and stuff, but it really
Yeah,
doesn't.
simple and subtle.
Yeah.
I like it
Personality,
simple
is
and
it?
subtle.
Yes.
Men lack personality, is it? Yeah.
Kind
They both have their own
of.
style.
Dressing, yeah.
Yeah.
Fingering.
Anyway, don't forget to dress up, stay strong and stay stylish. Don't forget to stay tuned and learn a whole lot more things and learn a whole lot new things about this thing called social dynamics. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.